Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the questions asked in NTNet Computer Science 2020 session. Here the question is given below are two statements. Statement 1, 5 divides n power 5 minus n whenever n is a non-negative integer. Statement 2, 6 divides n cube minus n whenever n is a non-negative integer. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Statement 1, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option 2, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option 3, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option 4, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So we are going to solve this question using the mathematical induction concept. Okay, so in the mathematical induction concept, we are having two steps. The first one is basis. So the first step is basis step. Then second step is induction step. So what we are going to prove? 5 divides n power 5 minus n for every non-negative integer n. Okay. So first we take the p of n be 5 divides n power 5 minus n. So initially we take the value of n is equal 0 here. So n power 5 minus n. So we are taking the n value is 0. Then 0 power 5 minus 0 which is 0. So we should note that p of 0 is true. Because 0 is divisible by 5 now. So this is our basis step. Then we move to the next step, induction step. So in the induction step, we take some k values. So which means let p of k be true. Then we write n power 5 minus n. So in the context of k. So k power 5 minus k. Okay. So we assume that this one also divisible by 5. Then we need to prove that p of k plus 1 is also true. Okay. So that is the next step in the induction. So first we take p of k be true. 5 divides k power 5 minus k. So we need to prove that p of k plus 1 is also true. So I am going to write k power 5 minus k form. The value of k plus 1. So k power 5 minus k. So here in place of k, I am going to write k plus 1. So again in place of k, we are having k plus 1. Then we are going to substitute the algebraic value of a plus b the whole power 5. So what is the formula for a plus b the whole power 5? So that is a5 plus 5a 4b plus 10a cube b square plus 10a square b cube plus 5ab power 4 plus b power 5. So this is the formula for a plus b the whole power 5. Okay. So now in place of a we are having k. In place of b we are having 1. So k power 5 plus 5. So in place of a we are having k. So k 4. In place of b we are having 1 only. Then 10. A cube means k cube. Then b square means it is 1 only. Next 10 k square plus 5k plus 1. Okay, it is the value of k plus 1 the whole power 5. So k power 5 plus 5k 4 plus 10k cube plus 10k square plus 5k plus 1. Then we multiply k with minus, then plus with minus. So minus k minus 1. So this is here. So it is the first step here. Okay. So now we are going to arrange the values. So what value we got previously? K power 5 plus 5k 4 plus 10k cube plus 10k square plus 5k plus 1 minus k minus 1. Okay, now we are going to arrange this one. So k power 5 minus k. Then I am keeping other things. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So what are the other things? 5 k power 4 plus 10 k cube plus 10k square plus 5k. So I am taking 5 as common one here. So k power 5 minus k plus 5 k4 plus 2k cube plus 2k square plus k. Okay. So previously we knew that k power 5 minus k is divisible by 5 individually. So this one we got from the previous step. K power 5 minus k is divisible by 5. Then 5 k power 4 plus 2k cube plus 2k square plus k also divisible by 5. Okay. So we can conclude that the whole term k power 5 minus k plus 5 k power 4 plus 2k cube plus 2k square plus k also divisible by 5. So which is true. So by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all non-negative integers. Okay. So the statement 1 is true. Here we proved that. Now we take the statement 2. So statement 2 is 6 divides n cube minus n for every non-negative integer n. So here also we follow the same procedure. So we take the statement as P of n. Let P of n be 6 divides n cube minus n. Then the basic step is we are taking the n value as 0. Okay. Then we substitute that value. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 is divisible by 6. So we should note that P of 0 is true here. Okay. So the next step is induction step. So in the induction step, we are taking the k value. So we take that, let P of k be true. Then we write this notation as k cube minus k. So in addition, we need to prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. Okay, so we are going to write k plus 1 in the form of k cube minus k. So in place of k, we are going to write k plus 1 the whole cube minus k plus 1. So what is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? So it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So it is the formula for a plus b the whole cube. So here in place of a we are having k, in place of b we are having 1. So k plus 1 the whole cube is equal k cube plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1. Okay. So what we have already, k plus 1 the whole cube minus k plus 1. So k plus 1 the whole cube minus k plus 1. So we are having k cube plus 3a square plus 3k plus 1. Then we multiply with minus k minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So what is the remaining term? K cube plus 3k square plus 3k minus k. Okay, then we arrange the terms k cube minus k. Okay, then 3k square plus 3k. So here 3 is the common term. So we can write this one as k cube minus k plus 3k k plus 1. Okay. So we knew that k cube minus k is divisible by 6. So what is the rule for divisibility by 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and if the number is divisible by 3 means it can be divisible by 6. Okay. Here we check that 3k k plus 1 is divisible by 3. While 3k k plus 1 is also divisible by 2. So we can conclude that 3k k plus 1 is also divisible by 6. Okay. So by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all non-negative integers n. So the statement 2, 6 divides n cube minus n for every non-negative integer n is true here. So we proved the two statements, statement 1 and statement 2, both are true. So the answer is both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. I hope everyone understands this concept. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For the further updates, you can join the Telegram group. Once again, thank you all.